A lot of people think forming an LLC is complicated until they realize most of these companies are basically helping you file paperwork with your state. The real question is not whether you should use one. The question is whether you're paying extra for things another company gives you for free. And just a quick heads up before we jump in, some of the companies mentioned may be partners of the channel, which means we may earn a small commission if you do use our links. It doesn't cost you anything extra and helps support the channel. So in today's video, we're comparing Swyft Filings and Bizee to figure out which LLC formation service is faster, cheaper, and honestly the better value depending on the type of entrepreneur that you are. We're going to go ahead and look at pricing, registered agent services, EIN setup, customer support, processing speed, and something almost nobody talks about enough, which is what happens after your LLC is formed. Because that's usually when people realize they either picked the right company or not. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Before we even compare them directly, let's quickly talk about what LLC formation services actually do because there still can be confusion around this. At the end of the day, both Bizee and Swyft Filings help prepare and submit your LLC paperwork to the state, and that usually includes filing your articles of organization and helping with some of the extra setup pieces many first-time business owners are not familiar with yet. Technically, you can file an LLC yourself directly through your state website. A lot of people actually do that, but a lot of entrepreneurs choose formation services because they want guidance, reminders, bundled features, and a simpler experience. When you are already thinking about business names, logos, taxes, bank accounts, websites, insurance, and marketing, having one less thing to stress over can be absolutely worth it. The challenge is that two companies may both advertise free LLC formation, but what they include inside that free package can be completely different. So that's where this comparison gets pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and start with Bizee. Where Bizee really stands out is value. Their free LLC package includes more than most people expect. You get LLC filing assistance, 1 year of a registered agent service. Those are features many competitors either charge extra for or move into paid plans. The registered agent inclusion alone can save money because many services start charging immediately for that. For somebody launching their first business and trying to keep startup costs low, that becomes a pretty big deal. The current Bizee pricing at the time of me recording this looks roughly like this. The basic package is $0 plus state filing fees. The standard package is around $199 plus state fees, and the premium package is around $299 plus state fees. The free plan is honestly where most people pay attention because it includes a surprising amount. If you want to go ahead and get started with Bizee, we do have that link down in the description for you. Okay, now let's talk about Swyft Filing. Swyft approaches the market a bit differently. One thing people often notice right away is the interface. The dashboard feels modern, clean, and just easy to move through. The onboarding experience is organized, and the platform does a really good job explaining steps during the process. I know that sounds small, but if you've never formed a business before, it really does matter. Starting an LLC already feels overwhelming, and a cleaner experience can reduce some of that stress. Another thing Swyft does pretty well is timeline visibility. They tend to be a bit more transparent about processing estimates and turnaround expectations. Now, the trade-off is value. The free plan is not nearly as comprehensive as Bizee. Features like registered agent service, EIN filing support, and some extra formation documents usually move into paid tiers or add-ons. The current Swyft filings look like this. So they got the basic package that is $0 plus state fees. They've got their standard package around $199 plus state fees. Premium package around $299 plus state fees. At first glance, those prices look very similar to Bizee. The difference is what you actually receive inside those packages, and that's important because many people only compare the headline price and skip the feature list. If you want to get started with Swyft Filings, that link is also down below for you. Okay, one of the biggest questions people ask is which company is faster? The answer honestly surprises a lot of people, and your state usually controls the speed more than the LLC company does. Many people think that the companies approve the LLC themselves, but they don't. The state handles the approvals. Some states process filings in a few business days, others can take weeks depending on the workload. Both companies offer expedited filing options in some states when available. Now, where Swyft has an edge is communication. Their platform tends to explain estimated timelines more clearly throughout the process, and that transparency helps a lot to reduce anxiety, especially for entrepreneurs who do want to launch quickly. Bizee can absolutely still be fast depending on your state, but Swyft feels a little more structured around setting expectations. regulations. So if speed visibility matters heavily to you, then Swyft probably wins that category. Now let's talk about registered agents because this is one of the biggest value differences. A registered agent receives legal and government documents on behalf of your business. Most states require one, and technically you can be your own registered agent in many states. But a lot of people prefer using a service because it keeps a personal address private and adds convenience. And this is where Bizee becomes very attractive. So Bizee actually includes a 1 year of registered agent service in the free plan, and that's honestly one of the strongest free offers in the market. Swyft usually treats registered agent service as an add-on or part of a paid plan. So if your goal is minimizing startup costs, Bizee clearly wins here. Another area people accidentally overspend on is EIN setup. An EIN is basically like a business tax ID issued by the IRS. You usually need it for opening business bank accounts, taxes, payroll, and other business activities. Bizee includes EIN assistance with their free structure. Swyft often places that inside paid tiers depending on the package. Same thing with operating agreements. Bizee does include support and templates while Swyft typically moves those to upgrades. This is why Bizee's free package gets talked about so much. When you compare line by line, there is simply more included. So for entrepreneurs starting lean, those savings can really add up quickly. Now, customer support is another area where these companies feel a bit different. Bizee offers phone support, and that sounds simple, but for first-time business owners, it's really important. Sometimes you just want to call somebody when you're feeling confused, especially if you're dealing with taxes, state notices, compliance reminders, or paperwork you've never seen before. Swyft leans more towards chat and email support. This is not necessarily worse. Some people actually prefer chat because it's faster. But if direct phone access matters to you, Bizee probably has the advantage. The bigger thing here is post-formation support because questions usually show up after the LLC is approved, not before. The biggest gap, especially in most LLC videos, is everybody focuses on forming the LLC, but formation is only step one. After that, you still have compliance requirements, annual reports, taxes, bank accounts, insurance, licenses, and ongoing paperwork. And this is where differences become a lot more noticeable. Bizee feels more value focused. Their ecosystem seems built for entrepreneurs trying to launch affordably. Swyft, on the other hand, feels more experience focused. The dashboards, onboarding, and communication feel cleaner and just more polished. Again, neither approach is wrong. It just really depends on what matters more to you. Do you want maximum value or do you want the smoother experience? For most beginners trying to keep costs down, I honestly think Bizee is the stronger overall value. The free registered agent for a year, EIN assistance, operating agreement, support, and feature stack are genuinely very competitive, especially if you're just starting your first business and watching every dollar. But Swyft does have its strengths. If you care about cleaner onboarding, timeline transparency, and a modern experience, Swyft may honestly feel a bit easier to use. And for some entrepreneurs, that smoother experience is worth spending more on. At the end of the day, both companies can absolutely help you form a legitimate LLC. Again, if your goal is to maximize value and get more included features up front, Bizee is probably the stronger option. If your priority is user experience, cleaner onboarding, and more transparent process communication, Swyft may feel a bit better. Again, you really have to figure out what's going to work best for you and your business and where you're at right now because there is no right or wrong. And again, if you want to check out Bizee or Swyft, both links are down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Starting a business can feel exciting, but also overwhelming at the same time, especially when every decision feels important. But the good news is you don't need to figure everything out perfectly on day one. Just keep taking the next step. This channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs understand LLCs, business formation, and startup decisions in a simple way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.